You're a pretty good actor.
Hi guys, I hate that I'm not here with you guys again. I miss you like crazy. I hope you're being good for the sub. What you're gonna do today is go to the calendar. If you click on geometry, maybe, you're gonna see the chapter 6 review quadrilaterals answer key for grading. Make sure you pull that up and grade your assignment from yesterday. When you get it graded, put how many you missed at the top of your paper and turn it into the sub. Then I'll put your grades in whenever I get back. So make sure that you go through this and grade all your work. Put the number that you missed, turn it into the sub. Okay, when you finish that, you're going to take a practice test. Tomorrow is your actual test, so make sure if you need to take that practice test more than once, take it more than once because your test is Wednesday. I'll be back tomorrow. If you have little questions, you can ask me during AA tomorrow. Okay, so you're going to click on the practice test and it's going to pull up. I hope you remember how to decide whether a figure is a polygon. So these will just be yes or no. I hope you remember the difference between convex and concave. Remember, concave caves in. So then you're going to go through number 2. The sum of the exterior angles. Remember, I told you to always think X box 360. So the exterior angle sum is always 360. So you'll have a couple of questions on that. For the interior angle sum, if you forgot, it's n minus 2 times 180. I will not give you that formula tomorrow, so you have to memorize that. N is the number of sides. So if it's a hexagon that has 6 sides, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180 is 720. So that's how you do those. There's some others on here. What do all the angles in a triangle add up to? I hope you remember 180. For problems like number 10, count the number of sides first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So you would do 5 minus 2 times 180. 3 times 180 is 540. And then subtract out all the angles that you know to find your missing angle. You also have some algebra. Remember, that's a 4-sided figure. So all the angles would add up to 360. Combine your like terms, add them together, solve for x. Let's go down. These you're determining yes or no if it's a parallelogram. You're going to have some problems that you have to graph. I'll have graph paper out for you on the table. So get graph paper, graph what you need to graph. You'll have to graph on your test tomorrow. There's one I really wanted to do for you guys, number 22, and it's going to be on your test tomorrow. So make sure you understand how to do this one. For problems like this, I would probably draw a picture. So this says the diagonals of a square, A, B, C, D. So first I'm going to draw my square, A, B, C, D. The diagonals intersect at point E. So I'm going to have this diagonal, intersection is point E. Then label everything. It says that BD, so that whole side, is 4x plus 24. And then it says AE, which is just this piece, is 3x minus 5. Do not accidentally put them equal to each other because it gives you an entire length and then just half a length. But you know, if this side will equal this side, so if that's 3x minus 5, this would be 3x minus 5. So the entire length would be 6x minus 10. Then you can put it equal to 4x plus 24. Now when you solve for x, that's not going to be your answer. Make sure you find AC. So you'll have to plug it in to find that entire length. So on this you would solve minus 4x, add 10. So I would have 2x equals 34. So x would equal 34 divided by 2 is 17. Now notice that's one of your answer choices. Do not pick that. That's going to be on your test tomorrow too, so be really careful. What I want to find is the entire length AC. And remember that whole length was 6x minus 10. If I know x is 17, do 6 times 17 minus 10. 6 times 17 minus 10 is 92, and that's, I messed up.